This month has been exceptionally busy for us, but we still managed to get together a quick Wiliprint Wednesday. In the interests of keeping it short, we decided to try something a bit smaller, a signal light lens. The model was done in Blender, and we printed it out in ColorFab XT. In Canada, your signals have to be orange, so because we now have a translucent lens, we need to swap an orange bulb in first. The last thing we have to do is put the lens on. So we'll toss the screws into the holes and we'll line everything up. And all we have to do after that is find a screwdriver to snug it down. Right, and I don't know about you guys, but I'm super lazy, so I'm just gonna give them a couple quick turns with the screwdriver to make sure the threads are engaged properly, and then I'm gonna grab a drill to get the most of the way with a final tightening using the screwdriver. There you have it. We put together a replacement turn signal lens using the power of desktop 3D printing.